Welcome, everyone. Discover the perfect family home in the beautiful community of East Kirkland Heights. This spacious four-bedroom house offers everything you need, from a cozy man cave to a large entertainment terrace where you can enjoy breathtaking views of the mountains and harbor. With a two-car garage and plenty of space for everyone, this home is the ideal retreat. It's a gem that just needs a little TLC to shine to its full potential. Don't miss your chance. This property won't stay on the market for long. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $47 million. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Thank you.